Alright, y'all, what's the deal? What's happening? What's cracking, y'all? So, I forgot my fucking GoPro. Can't believe I forgot my GoPro. But we pulled up to Mooneyes over here, and it's all the way down the block over here. So we pulled up to Mooneyes. This is the open house. And, because they're not, well, first off, Irwindale isn't there anymore, so they're not hosting, like the New Year's party or anything like that. But I'm pretty sure they always do the yearly open house. A little Harley right here. Sounds like shit though. Alright, so we're walking up on Mooneyes right now, and I saw Elijah's car. I don't know where this fool's at, but Elijah's, it's my homie Elijah I grew up with. This is his car right here. It's like I said, it's 64 and a half. Then we got all the bikes. Clean mark right here. Fire. Fire mark. Super fire. Clean pickup. Let's go find this fool. Go walk up on all the hot shit over here. Clean bus. Oh wait, outside like that. There we go. Pickups. Classic right here. What is this? 100th anniversary? 105 year. Clean. 350 right here. Fire. It's probably a rep though. Sheesh. We got some cool shit out. Fort Bel Air. Here's Mooneyes. Pulling up on Mooneyes right here. Bet that. Cappuccino. Oh, a beat. It's a beat. Super sick. Fire. Oh, another beat. What the fuck? Clean marrow. Fire. All the fire shit. Now let's go see the other shit. Fire shit on the other side. I'm gonna get hit right now, y'all. Fuck it, let's get hit. Ooh, old school, look at the bands. Sick with it. Some sick shit. This is fire right here. 59 Elko. Clean old school right here. Fire. Check this out right here. Ooh. That pinstriping is fire. The attention to detail on this is sick. Jeez, check out the top on this. That's crazy. Fire pinstriping. Pictures don't do it justice. The video. Old school, the organs. Fire. Very fire. Orange peel. This is on the other videos if you guys watch some of the other ones. Fire. Sheesh, a little like 32 Ford right here. This is super fire. Framing everything down. Check out the Nova right here. Old school little drag. Damn. Hold on. Check out this right here. All this shit. Check out all these pictures right here, y'all. It's wild. This Nova right here is clean. Straight history right here, y'all. Old school gangster, yo. Old school dragster. Old school fucking air, oh, the old compressor, air compressor. Oh, they got the Kaiser shit though, and then they got the old school fucking like. I can't talk right now. I'm losing it right now, y'all. I'm just observing everything. Check out the dragster up there.
That's the one she gets old.
Walking through Mooneyes right here. This is all in the machine shop. Check it out. They got everything over here. Look at that. Full walkthrough. Full walkthrough. Super fire. Yeah, that's crazy. Everything in stock over there. Damn, they got a lot of machine. They got a lot of machine equipment. Look at this old school right here. That's wild. Wow, that's fuck. Valve covers and shit like that. Heads. All the machine equipment. That is wild. This is Mooneyes 2008. Check it out, y'all. That's so wild. Ford motor right here. Oh wait, Chevy. Check all this out, y'all. This chopper right here is fucking man, this thing is fucking mint. Yeah, this is bad right here. Clean build. Got a lot of clean cars out here, y'all. Sick ass rat route right here. With the Chevy motor in it. Yeah, fire, y'all. On the Craigers? Sheesh. No, it isn't. Fire.
I want to go in there already.
Fucking fire. 62. Sheesh. Stop playing. Do it right, baby. Got my boy right here. Cheers, fool.
There it is.
So my boy, this is his his thing right here. It was a straight 6 originally. This fool got it swapped. Oh, and he got the nice little ABS too. That's a nice little carburetor. Yeah, fire. The Hummy shit. Caught the Hummy. Known this fool fucking since I was a kid.
There it is, brother.
So take a look at some other shit over here, y'all. But yeah. Mooneyes, y'all. Mooneyes.
Ladder bar.
No, this is actually a OEM 350. I thought it was a rev when I was walking by it. This is fire. Paint job's fire on this one.
Yeah.
What you think about that?
The flake is fucking ridiculous.
Out on that one.
It looks
Good YouTube. What you guys think about this, YouTube?
It looks dark.
Oh, look at the chopper!
Let's say
Yeah, this is fire. It's Corona, I think. Yeah, Corona. Fire. Does it got it? Nah, it's auto. Every time I see a Corona, I swear, bro. Every time I see a Corona, it has a fucking Corona shifter fucking, or Corona beer tab shifter. Fire.
Japanese. Phone call.
Good looking. Good roasting right here, baby.
Can I say bad words?
Hey, what's cracking? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. What's cracking? Just met my boy right here, bro. Pleasure to meet you, bro. Hey, look at my boy got some crazy shit right here.
No, that's not mine.
No, the pink. I said the pink bitch. I said the pink bitch. Nah, yeah. Good old school hardtail, you feel me? Fuck a tire, you feel me? Just wear that bitch out.
Hold on, dude.
Hell yeah.
Read that real quick.
Ooh, eat pussy, ride choppers, you feel me? Hell yeah, old school. Look at that, my boy. Look at that.
Get at this. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. You need to throw a fucking razor blade in it.
Oh, shit, dude.
The coke cutter.
Damn right.
The coke cutter. That's fire, dog. Sheesh. That's fire.
Gotta remind me of myself.
Good shit, bro. What year is the motor?
75.
75?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bro.
It's old school.
Old school, bro. How long you had it, bro?
Way too long, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah, I ride this shit all the time, dude. So.
Look at that, man. All the custom fucking frame, all fucking works.
Check it out.
I know. He showed me it right here, bro. He showed me.
Motivation.
Show me it right here, bro. Fire.
That shit.
Yeah, bro. Old school, bro. Custom frame, bro. Actually, did you do framework yourself or just an old school frame?
Everything.
Oh, yeah?
Everything.
That's fire, bro. Yeah, you don't see a lot of people do this shit like this no more, bro. This is crazy. This is a straight early 70s, late 70s build type right here, bro. That's fucking fire. Yeah, bro. Pleasure meeting you, dog. Fuck yeah, dog. Hell yeah, dog. Tough dog. Look at that. And it's turboed? What? Oh no, it's not. Thought it was. All chromed out. Hey, this shit just like my show car, only the fucking upper plenum.
Yeah.
With the kickers behind, this is a cool little car. Cool little build. Imaginary air. Oh, fucking thank you. Hey, we got the OG right here. Look at this fucking. Ooh! Tucking. How long you been in the mini truck scene, man?
Since 1990.
Sheesh. This is your build right here, huh?
It is. Been in California Cruisers here and started in Buena Park, actually.
Nice. How long have you been building this one right here?
This is about a 14-year project now.
14-year project, huh?
Yeah.
Sheesh. You got the custom dash. Everything fucking works. Block sanded car, huh?
What's that?
The car looks like it's block sanded, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. It was painted by Pete Santini.
P. Santini, okay.
In Westminster.
Yeah, that's some glass work right there. Shit looks beautiful. Yeah, man, I love the build, man. Beautiful. What you got to say about this right here?
Oh, this right here. This is painted
This
by.
fuel tank?
What's that?
This fuel tank?
Yeah. This
Nice.
This is painted by Jay Warner. It was built by Jeremy Kaufman. Jeremy Kaufman did most of all the suspension here.
All the framework?
Correct. And then the air compressors are air zeniths.
Okay. So you're on a newer, because everybody was using, what was the brand? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Everybody was using Vire.
Yeah, so the air zeniths are more of a, in my opinion, more of a, like a Cadillac of compressors.
Oh, okay,
They're a little
okay.
more expensive. I think they're really reliable. It's my opinion, of course.
It's like having a good gear on a hydraulic build.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah, because I've actually had a personal car that came with the other air system that you're talking about.
Yeah.
This is very, very nice.
And then there's a glass tank in the back. This was going to be the gas tank, but we changed it. But this was actually handmade by Killer Glass.
And this is glass?
That's Pyrex glass. Yes.
Oh, wow. That's insane.
Yeah.
Pyrex glass.
Pyrex glass.
Holy shit.
Made by Killer Glass.
You know, excuse my language, but this is kind of glass that you cook dope out of right here, man. This is the good shit, man. This is the good shit.
And then this right here is the embroidery work was done by Cactus Threads.
Cactus Threads? And
right.
what city are
It's
they
in
out of?
Lawndale.
Immaculate. Amazing, man. Amazing. Anything else you have to say about the build?
No. Just
These are billet wheels, right?
correct. Those are custom made center lines. They're 18-inch.
Oh, well, they're center lines.
They're center lines.
Oh, wow.
They're Stingray 2s.
Yeah, that definitely has to be included inside of this. That's crazy. Very old school build. I love it.
Cool. Thanks for checking it out.
No, thank you for giving me the time.
No worries.
You have a great day, man.
You too. Take care.
Likewise. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. For the YouTube one time. Ah! Hit that bitch. Big Volkswagen bug. Alright, team, what's the deal? What's happening? What's cracking? So, this is getting done on my iPhone right now. It's weird, but I didn't have my GoPro, and then I want to finish this video up real fast. So, I'll just, instead of having to transfer it over, I'll just do it like this, you feel me? But, man, I've been lagging on making videos. I'm sorry for y'all on that. Man, I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm tired. It's late. I don't know what time it is. What time it is? I was going to check my phone, but I'm recording on my phone right now. I think it's like 3 in the morning. 2 in the morning, 2:30 in the morning. I don't know. 3 in the morning, something like that. But like, comment, subscribe, man. Let me know what you guys thought about Mooneyes. It was real cool. It was cool meeting with my boy Elijah. Got some cool music in afterwards. We went to another little meetup afterwards after that. But just a cool day. Chill vibes. Good time. Good people. You know, just good everything, you know, all around. Good tacos afterwards, you know, just everything, man. I should have recorded getting the tacos afterwards too. But you know what? We coming with more live direct content. We coming strong, man. Just so like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm trying to be able to post videos for y'all every single day. So we coming live for that, man. So just stay tuned in, tapped in, you know. Get me on the social media, Lunatic with 2Ks, 13 on Instagram, or, just stay doing what y'all doing. Be good how y'all be good, man. Y'all stay up, man. Deuces, y'all.